And I bring all this up because there is a legitimate sense of urgency to looking at side hustles. I have been in a number of conversations where people's numbers don't add up. And I've said, hey, maybe we need to look at the income side. And they said, I've thought about that, but if it really gets bad, I'll do it. And my problem with that is that the getting is good right now in side hustles. It will not always be. For example, if you think that Uber driving is always going to be available, it might. I think ride sharing is on the ascendancy. But if you think that companies aren't trying to get rid of human drivers with autonomous cars, or if you think that the number of Uber drivers out there will always be steady, I think you're wrong. I think if things slow down in the economy, more people are going to go out and be Uber drivers. That's going to push the amount of money that you can earn down. And so if you're waiting to the point where you have to do this, I think you might find that there are a lot of people that are also waiting, and then suddenly it's going to be a crowded space. And the point here is that I think there's a side hustle land grab. I think there is a big advantage for the people who are interested in doing something right now, today, by this weekend, over the people that are going to wait. So let me use an example here. If you are going to walk dogs and you think that you might want to do that or it's on your radar, why not start today? Why not get 3, 4 clients right now? Because I tell you what, when the next recession hits and everyone says, hey, I need to earn some extra money and I want to walk dogs, do you think those 4 or 5 people will switch to another dog walker? They'll probably stick with you, assuming that you're still cost competitive. People like sticking with people they trust. And so because you started earlier, because you established a relationship, because you made fans, clients, powerful relationships with your customers, I think they will stick with you. And the rest of the people that are coming in late who need the income will be fighting for what's left. And so I think starting early is going to really be a big benefit.